topology error. Merong nagkikickback dito ng hindi naman dapat nagkikickback. Ito, this one. This building. Ayan. So, saan ang working area? Okay, always check. Kasi when I did this exam, na-miss ko to. Hindi ko pala nagawa. Okay, so always check the working area. Makikita nyo din kung saan yung proper cutting. Okay, so, or proper layers. So, this is one layer, that's one layer, another layer, and one layer. Kasi yung iba, na ano pa to? Kinakat pa yan. Hindi pala kailangan. Okay? Alright, so, we'll try to do that one. Is create the rectangle. Okay? Tapos i-match na natin siya. Connect yung corners, red dashed line to the corners. Adjust the height sa right side. Okay. Check the other panels. They're pretty good. Pretty good. Pretty good. Okay. I will stick to image 1 of 4 para sa pag-match. Okay, kasi so far it's the clearest and nakikita itong other layers. Okay? Now, makikita natin, itong layer na to is actually lower than this one, pero dito hindi siya halata. So again, we trace dun sa highest part, and then we just use the Alt tool. Yun. There we go. So, hindi nagbago yung itsura niya dito, pero kung papansinin nyo, actually, ayan, dumikit siya sa lower layer. Okay? And dito, well-matched na siya. Well, as well-matched as I can. Okay? We check. And it's good. Good. And, okay, same here. Gagamit na lang ako ng H tool dito sa pinakataas. Okay. Again, just to teach you guys, H, double dot, switch to F, hover, and space. Tapos, tool. Okay, so yung gagalaw na lang dito is yung corner, right? Yung corner, what do you call this? Ito, this part, lower right corner na corner. Okay. And then, we adjust the height. We check the other panels. Medyo mas mababa pa siya. Check the other panels. Next. Baba pa konti. Okay. There we go. So, check ulit natin yung blue. Okay, so, ito. That's supposed to be another layer. Okay, so we do the black part. Ito, the black roof. So, ayokong pahirapan sa sarili ko. So, I will just trace as I see it here on the right side, left side. And then use Alt tool. Ayan. Tumapat na siya sa corner. Ito yung corner na tinignan ko, guys. Ayan. So, at yung corner na minamatch ko ito. Okay? Kasi ito yung gagalaw eh. I will match this corner. So, again, Alt. Okay. Alright, that's pretty good na. Next, panel. Hindi naman kita. Move on. Sobra siya. Okay. Oh, okay. Ano. We can adjust this one. Konti, bawasan natin siya. Yan. Okay, good. Okay. Next. Ito. We draw this part. Dito ko siya itatapat. Hindi. Dapat. Switch to F. Cover. Adjust natin ito. Sobra. Okay. So, hindi siya masyadong match sa right side. So, match natin siya. So, maakyat siya. Ito yung corner niya na match ko. Okay? This part. Hindi masyado makita. Ayan. This, itong corner yung sinusubok kong i-match. Okay? So, and nag-a-adjust kasi siya. Nag-adjust siya either forward or backward. Ayan. Match. Next. Good. Match. Mataas siya. And last. Okay. Right? That's good. And next, this part. Dito na ako magda-draw. I will trace from here. The highest layer. Oops. Okay. Saan siya most visible? Ito. I will try to match itong corners, itong outer corners with Alt tool. Okay? Ayan, okay lang. Ayan. Okay. So once again, if you want to see it, undo, Alt, drag, okay, drag, left or right. This is good. Ayan. Okay. Next. Matched well. Okay na. Wait, actually, itaas natin konti. Okay. And it's matched. Okay. And of course, ito, huwag kakalimutan. We click this part para makita. So, dapat pala nakakat ito. My bad. This is a separate layer. Yan. Dapat mas mababa ito konti. Mataas ko. Lower that. Increase the height. Lower natin. Okay. Alright, so once again, go back to the longest rectangle. Okay. And reveal the wall. Make sure the red dashed line corners are matched. Sobra yung drawing ko. Ito. Okay. Yan. Next. 3 to confirm. Next panel. F3. Next panel. F3. And you're good. Ayan na siya. So this is the exam. Last na to, no? Yeah, this is the last. Supposed to cut this one pa pala. Sorry. Let's see if it's going to do okay. Oh, yes! Hallelujah! Hindi. Kasi yung marami akong narinig na, and ako rin mismo, I had problems with this task. Nagkikickback ito pagkaputol ko. So, I usually tell them to do it last. Yung pagkaputol nito. Huwag niyo putulin agad. While you are tracing these lower layers, huwag niyo puputulin agad dito. There were kickback problems there. For some reason. Nagka-crash yung training app. Clear user? Will that work?
Ma'am, excuse lang Try nyo po ilipat yung yung folder ng
Ng Ginger.
Ng Ginger sa main drive C or D.
Kung saan yung yung drive mo na may blue like this.
Yes, usually kasi nagka-crash yan sa third na na map.
Yeah. So, lipat niyo yung Ginger software na dito, yung sa may software na may blue.
Kasi drive na lang. Para sure.
Okay. So, whichever your OS is, kung nasan yung operating system nyo, andun yung may blue. Here. Okay. Lipat niyo dun. Okay. That's it. This is the whole exam.